Hello everyone, I am Sushma. I am working as assistant professor and I have done pharmacy, and also previously I have worked as a drug safety associate, and even in Canada I have worked as a quality controller in Tava Pharmaceuticals, and today I am here to help help the students regarding the pharmacist exam. We all know that recently Telangana government has released about 633 post of pharmacist post. So regarding this, I am here to help the students. So as coming to the syllabus, they have given us about the 10 units. Okay, so coming to the first unit, it's about the introduction of pharmacopoeias with special reference to the IP. So maximum here they will cover the questions about the about the Indian pharmacopoeia, like the year of edition, when it is published, and the editions. Okay, and more weightage will be in the SUTIX. As we can see, this all are about SUTIX topics like the unit operations, prescriptions, metrology, posology, and manufacturing and evaluation of various dosage forms. So maximum we can expect more questions from this SUTIX topic. And also coming to the next topic, see second unit, anatomy and physiology. This is also very easy, like we have all the systems like skeletal system, cardiovascular system here, and respiratory systems. Here simply we can just remember all the revise all the systems and how they work. And next thing is unit 3, concept of health, concept of disease and natural and health. This is just we can read the diploma level books, because we can I think we don't get much depth questions from the third unit. We can just refer all the diploma books that are available. And coming to fourth unit, they have given the chemistry in organic, and also in the medicinal chemistry. So we can see the medicinal chemistry also here. So we can expect in-depth questions. So we have to prepare a lot for the the structures and all for medicinal chemistry and organic chemistry also. Here coming to the fifth unit, so pharmacology. This is also the important topic where we can expect plenty of questions. The weightage is more for the pharmacology, as we know. And SUTIX and collage, these are the two important topics where we have to concentrate a lot. See, all the narcotic analgesics, anticonvulsants, all these antihyperetics, local anesthetic, and expectorants, all this we have to read the mechanism of actions, adverse effects, and uses, everything, every classification we have to note down in a book. Simply the classifications and their adverse effects, mechanism of action, and uses. So simply these 4 things we need to remember for all the topics here. And this is also same, pharmacology of drugs. Unit 5 and 6 are important. We need to work on it a lot. And coming to unit 7, here, hospital pharmacy. This is very easy actually. We can just go through the books available in diploma level. Okay, symptoms and treatments of organophosphorus, all this we need to just once go through the in diploma level books. Coming to unit 8, this is also adulteration, drug evaluation, and pharmacopoeial standards. And cognacy, we need to learn about the cognacy here. Everything, synonyms, names, everything we need to write down in a paper, then we can revise it during the exams. See, they have clearly given only few. So coming to chapter 9, here they have given the biological value deficiency. This is related about metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins. So we can just go through biochemistry books, all this in carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, and its therapeutics about introduction to pathology of blood and urine. So this is also simple. And coming to unit 10, this is important. Pharmacy Act 1948, they will be asking about different acts, and in competitive exams definitely these acts play a crucial role. They will be asking a lot of questions from here. Latest drug actions, latest order in force, Poison Act, Medicinal and Toilet Preparations Act, everything. And Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. So they have mentioned 4, and we can concentrate on these 4 and learn all the acts. Okay, now we will discuss about pharmacopoeia. So in pharmacopoeia, they have just given the introduction of pharmacopoeia, and also mostly they asked about only Indian pharmacopoeia, IPC. So we can just concentrate on only Indian pharmacopoeia. So in this pharmacopoeia, so just I want to give a brief introduction about pharmacopoeia. So the word pharmacopoeia itself just tells us about the pharmakon means the drug and poeia means to make. So actually this is a Greek word, and in exam they may ask you about the what is meant by pharmakon, what is the meant by poeia. So that's pharmakon means it's a drug and poeia means it's to make. So basically the pharmacopoeia, it's a book, referral book, how to prepare the drugs, how to prepare, how to conduct the test, and you know, how to determine the dosage form, standards of purity, everything will be referred through the standard books. It has a standard guidelines how a drug should be prepared and released in the market. Okay, so everyone will be following these updated versions of pharmacopoeias, and they will refer these pharmacopoeial books, and they will prepare all the drugs that should be distributed in the market. So mainly these pharmacopoeia books are essential for, why these pharmacopoeia books are essential for setting standards, because everyone should follow the particular standards that are prescribed in the book, and that guidelines, or whatever we call the guidelines that are in the pharmacopoeia book. And further the medicines are prepared, the drugs are prepared, they define the qualitative and quantitative standards for drugs. Okay, ensure uniformity across different manufacturer means we have plenty of manufacturers in our India, like one manufacturer may prepare the something else and the other manufacturer may prepare something else. So it should, so the obviously the output will be different. So all the manufacturers will follow this pharmacopoeial guidelines. So they will produce the same quality of standard drugs, and this all obviously leads to public health protection. So regulatory authority, they serve as a difference for government and health authorities to regulate pharmaceutical and enforce drug laws. So by following all the guidelines, follow the regulatory authorities and enforce for the drug laws. Okay, these are just for your knowledge what the book contains. Okay, and majorly the pharmacopoeias are like USP, everyone knows that United States of Pharmacopoeia, USC, that is used in United States, BP, British Pharmacopoeia, that is used in UK and several Commonwealth countries, and Japan, EP is around across European nations, and Japan is used in Japan, and IP, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is used in India. And we have given the syllabus only about the IP, so we need to concentrate here in IP. Okay, so IP is a standard book for the drug manufacturations, which has the different monographs. Monographs means nothing but it's the brief description how a drug should be manufactured in the market and released in the market. Okay, so the IP provides essential standards for the quality and purity of drugs, aiming to ensure the availability of safe and effective pharmaceuticals in Indian market. So this is the table where very important table, maximum you will be getting questions from this table only, because they will be asking questions in which year what edition is taken and what are the key features they have added in the those year publications. Okay, so let's see the first edition. First edition was published in the year 1955 and under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh, and they will be asking even the names under which under whose chairmanship particular edition is published and in which year. So you need to remember all these years, names and the edition. Okay, and also sometimes they will be asking you in which edition what they have added the point, key point. Okay, so let us see here the edition. First edition, Dr. B.N. Ghosh, under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh in 1955. First edition of IP, it's based on British Pharmacopoeia and United States Pharmacopoeia with adaptations for Indian conditions. So they have taken these pharmacopoeias and they have made some different adaptations, and they have used in here in 1955. Okay, and second edition, Dr. B. Mukherjee, 1966. It's about Ayurveda, Hinani and Siddha drugs. Okay, and third edition, it is published in 1895 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. So here they have covered antibiotics, biological products, vaccines, testing for sterility. So they will be asking like vaccines and testing for sterility, in which year edition book, in which year they have published. So we have to, they'll be giving options like 1985, 1966, 1955. So we have to write like 1985.